In this video, I'll show you what to do if your iPhone can't find Bluetooth devices or it can't connect to them. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. If you're finding that you can't go and connect to Bluetooth devices, then let's get into some fixes. Make sure you watch the full video so you know all of them. So firstly, go and open up your settings like so, and then go and tap on Bluetooth. And the first thing you should do is go and switch your Bluetooth off in your settings app, not in your control center like so. So switch it off. It'll then take a moment to shut down, and then just wait and toggle it back on like this. Then go and see if you can then go and find the device and go and connect to it. If the device is still not popping up or it just fails to connect, the next thing I recommend doing is restarting your iPhone. So to do this, there's actually a key combination you need to go and press, and I'm going to put a video on the screen right now. All you need to do is press the increase volume button, then the decrease volume button, and then just hold the side power button, and you've got to keep holding it, and eventually you're going to go and see the Apple logo then appear, and then as soon as you see the Apple logo, go and let go of the power button, and your iPhone will then go and restart. Then once you've done that, you can then see if you can go and get Bluetooth to work. If it still isn't working, then what you need to do is go onto the Bluetooth device itself and put it into pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, it may then appear at the bottom where it said other devices. So see if it then appears when you put it into pairing mode. Each device is going to be different for how you put it into pairing mode. If that still isn't working, another thing you should check is that no other devices are currently connected to your Bluetooth device. Maybe somebody else in your house is connected to it, or another one of your own devices connected to it. So make sure nothing else is connected, because some devices can only have one connection at a time. So yeah, if another device is connected to it, then just go and disconnect it by turning off Bluetooth on that device. However, if that still isn't working for you, then what I recommend doing is trying and using a different Bluetooth device and see if you can go and connect to that one. Because if you can then go and connect to that other Bluetooth device, then it's a sign that it's a problem with your current one. Maybe someone else is connected to it, or maybe it's just not working. However, if you still can't go and connect to another Bluetooth device, or maybe another one after that, then it may be an issue with your Bluetooth itself. Another fix you could try, which is quite extreme, is by going back to your main settings, scrolling down to general and going to the bottom of general and tapping on transfer or reset iPhone, then tapping on reset, and what you could try is resetting your network settings. This is going to reset all your Bluetooth settings and your Wi-Fi settings as well. So it means you're going to have to reconnect to all your Wi-Fi networks and all your Bluetooth devices. That is quite extreme, and hopefully one of the methods before this has gone and worked. If they have, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.